Hi everybody, this is CR number 11, helper video number 3. It says solve n divided by negative 13 equals 2. So I'm going to go ahead and rewrite it down here. We have n divided by negative 13. Please remember that fraction bar does mean division, equals 2. Now, my whole point is to still get the variable n by itself. So now I'm looking at what is attached to this n and by what operation. It looks like the negative 13 is on the same side as the variable and it's attached by division. So I have to go ahead and do the opposite of division. And the opposite of division is multiplication. So I'm going to multiply my left side by negative 13. And I'm going to put this over 1 just to show you something and prove to you why this works. But anything I do to the left side, I do to the right. Now remember, if I'm multiplying straight across, negative 13 times n would be negative 13n. And if I multiply straight across on the bottom, 1 times negative 13 is negative 13. And we all know negative 13 divided by negative 13 is just a fancy form of 1, so it would be 1n. A positive times a negative is a negative, and 13 times 2 is 26. So that would be my answer. But this is the explanation as to why these two 13s will always cancel out when you multiply as the opposite of division. Good luck.